Berwyn is home to makers, small businesses, and above all, doers. And no one does it better than our dedicated restaurateurs. They have chosen to share their family recipes, new flavors, and passion with our community. We are home to all types of dining experiences. If you're in the mood for a quick bite of something familiar, we've got that. Or if you want something a little bit more dressed up while you're a little dressed up, we've got that too. Take the tour, let your inner foodie run free in Berwyn, and stop by one of our many restaurant establishments. The list is long, and your expectations should be high. Everyone has a favorite Berwyn eatery. Share yours with someone this holiday season and support local.